Hi everyone. If you feel you are more secured and safe than these world leaders and celebrities, then this video is not for you. You just move ahead, right? Originating from Wuhan, China, this coronavirus, COVID-19, a global pandemic impacting over 120 countries worldwide. So I just want to give you the names of few celebrities and world leaders. Canadian Prime Minister and his wife, Australian Home Affairs Minister, UK's Junior Health Minister, UK's Prime Minister Boris Johnson, Iranian Deputy Health Minister, Senior Vice President, US Miami's Mayor, Spain's Equality Minister, Brazilian President, Hollywood star Tom Hanks, his wife Rita, American singer Madonna, Russian Prime Minister, and Indian singer Kanika Kapoor. The list is exhaustive. You can just Google and see. Now, our Government of India has given a standard operating procedure, SOP, after COVID-19 lockdown. So, they have mentioned in section 5.14, daily practice of yogasana, pranayam and meditation to improve the immunity during the days to come. We have to safeguard ourselves as we have to go out for various reasons and mingle with people. Unless otherwise we are having good immunity power, I think it's very dangerous for us. In order to improve our immune system, Art of Living is conducting meditation and breath workshop, online happiness program. I just want to tell you a small story. There was a Narayana Bhakta. He was in a village. One day, people started running, and they were calling him, please come, because the dam nearby, just broke and water is entering into our village. But this Narayana Bhakta, he stands grounded, and he said that no, Narayana will come and save me. After some time, the water level has risen, and he went to the first floor. And the rescuers, they came in a boat and they called him, please come, because the water level is increasing. He said that no, I will not, because Narayana will come and save me. I've got a lot of faith on my Lord Narayana. Afterwards, again the level has risen up. Then he went to the second floor. Then there was an helicopter coming and looking for survivors. They just lowered the ladder. They asked him, just come on, climb in the ladder and come. And he said, no, I will not. Narayana will come and save me. After some time, as you all know, water level has increased and he died. And he was so furious and he was so angry, shouting loudly and going to the Vaikunta, talking about Narayana, that Narayana is a cheat, he is a stone, he never came to save me. Then Narayana said, stop. What's your problem? He said, no, I was there, I was just waiting for you. You didn't come and save me. Then Narayana said, see, I came first as a villager, calling you, come out of the house. Second, I came in the boat, I called you. And third, it is too much for you, but still I came in an helicopter and called you. Do you think that I will just come with all this Grida, Shanghu, Chakra and call you? See, God speaks through people. Those people who are brilliant, intelligent, they understand the language of God. They take up the opportunity and they save themselves. Right? Now it is for you to decide. Take up this online meditation and breath workshop. And you can have a healthy life, and you can be mentally and physically fit to face the post-COVID days to come. I wish you all the best. We will meet in the session. Bye.